Hey, what's up? Damn right I got knives here. First, thought I'd let you know what I'm listening to. It'll make sense a little bit more later. Dinosaur Jr. First album. Yellow vinyl. Oh yeah. Homestead Records. Dinosaur. First pressing. Had this since I was about 17 or something. Not parting with this record. Alright, we'll set this aside for a moment. Try and work our way to the main attraction. So, also gonna highlight what I'm drinking here. A little Stiegl Radler, lemon flavor. It's good. Good for knife reviews. Hopefully you can hear the good guitar leads in the background. Anyway, Stiegl Radler. I'm not promoting or getting free beer out of this. I'm just showing you what I'm drinking because it's good. It's good for warm nights. It's a really light beer. It's like really low alcohol level. I don't know if these cans tell you somewhere where to go. Stiegl Radler. Whatever. Oh, there it is. 2.0. Moving along. Got a package here today. Shipped to me from John. Erased his address there. Steel Edge Art. I don't know how to say this. Onihonto.com. ONIHONTO. Got here so quick, I just couldn't even believe it. I just ordered this thing and it showed up. I was shocked. I was expecting it to be a couple more days, so thank you, John. Also not giving me anything free, just reviewing this knife and unboxing it and showing it to you. Let's get into that. Do that. That's a switch. I might reuse. The famous box. Just gonna put this away. But Microtech has that stick. They just put that extra thing in there that makes it stick. I kind of like that. One of the other boxes, they just flop open. Oh, I saw something there. The reveal. There it is down there. Just some literature on the knife. Knives in general. Put that aside too. You have that good box thing. Yeah, we all know about that. Put that aside too. Oh my gosh. There it is. Let's look at this thing. Okay. The LUDT Microtech. Look at that purple. LUDT stands for Large Underwater Demolition Team. But not really that large. Anyway, moving along. This is the old Microtech design. Side open auto. It comes with a lanyard, little lanyard deal. Cool pocket clip. With those little interesting Microtech screws. Some people say they don't like them because they don't want to have to get a different tool to take it apart. Blah, 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 blah. I don't care. I think they're cool. I like them. I'll get the tool eventually or not. I wouldn't change these out for different screws. Why would I do that? Some people might. They say this is 6061 T6 aircraft grade aluminum handle material. I like those designs on there. Kind of feels not super grippy. Feels normal, like aluminum. Let's try this thing out. Ooh, what a kick. Yep. There it is. They say the blade length is 3.4 inches. Overall it's 7.8. Do that quick thing that people like to do. To know that they're telling the truth. Looks about right. LMAX steel, either 204P or M3390. Let's see. This is M390. Not going to get into all the different blade steel stuff. Anything Microtech's going to be a great steel. Single edge, rounded on here. It's a really cool top. It's not, those edges along the top are kind of rounded. Jimping is good. Feels good there too. Like the way it curves on my hand there. Feels good. Let's try and do this behind the camera again and not poke myself. Little poke always wakes you up a little. It's like, oh yeah, you're filming something here, dude. Yeah, that's serious power. That feels crazy. Feels really good. Love these colors. That's why I got this. So going back here, if you know anything about Dinosaur Jr., you know that Jay, the singer, Jay Mascis, his favorite color is purple. You'll always catch him wearing some purple. So I kind of got this. It's my Dinosaur Jr. blade. I just got it. I like purple on things. Obviously, well, you saw that. I think it's just a good complementary color, and I couldn't resist that. So that's why I looked for this exact color, and John over there at Steel Edge Art had this. Baton Rouge, Florida, sent it to me. I don't know how he got it here so quick. I think he flew it here on a jet himself. Alright, let's get this back out of the way. This is obviously the black satin finish on the blade. Information there. L, Large Underwater Demolition Team, serial number 18177. Oh, this is from 2020, 05. Made in the USA. There's that. What's on the other side? Nothing. Good. I'm not a lanyard guy on my pocket knives usually, but since it came with it, I think I'm going to keep it because I'm not going to be carrying this where I live. Out the front, side open, nothing. Can't carry it. That's okay though. I don't mind. I like to have it, collect it, use it around the house or something. But mostly just appreciate that. Has the good locking mechanism here. Blade plays. Oh my god. Nothing. Can't move that at all. That is in there, locked. The button is really nice. Lanyard hole there. Pocket clip. Feels good. Sure it is. Don't know what it's made of. Guessing maybe titanium or steel. So it stays locked when it's open. Stays locked when it's shut. You can't pull that open unless you push that button. So if it's in your pocket, you gotta really, like it, I'm pushing it. It's pushed kinda right there. It's sticky. Now it opens. Even still not opening until I really push it. And then it goes. Let's go ahead and compare it to some other knives here. Oh, here's my Spyderco. Paramilitary 2. Wow, closer than I thought. This would good old Benchmade 940. But look at that. Purple also. What'd I tell you? It's the purple day. How about this? Bug out. This battle washed one. Really cool from Knife Center there. Alright, so let's get this out here. Close them up. And let's show you this guy. More of those funky screws there. Another out the front auto by Microtech. UTX 85 there, right below it. Tonto. If you're here watching, you know that's a Tonto. Or you like Dinosaur Jr. Or you might like good beer. Alright. Let's go deeper. Let's go a little deeper here. I think that looks really killer. It's like a standard blade with like a drop point. There. The look is amazing. The feel is great on my hands holding that. I really like it. The sound is amazing. I like that little like half button push it does too. Let's hear that again. Ooh, deep sound, like a thud. Clicky thud. No, it's there. Okay. And when you're closing it, it kind of goes halfway too. I don't know if you can see that. It's halfway pushed in, and then I think it's going to pop. Yep, pops back out right when it does it. So when you push it, you kind of can get a half push to a full push. Sure be great for opening boxes, doing all sorts of things. The fit and finish of these, of course, is going to be great. Let's see, look at that. Let's see. Straight down the middle, look at that. I can't believe how there's just no blade play at all. Nothing. The edge, well, it already poked me once, but that looks pretty amazing. Well, let's do it then. Let's go to the paper cut. I hope to God that this thing cuts paper. I mean, it doesn't cut paper, you know. Just send it back. Jeez. Yeah, it cuts paper. Cuts great. Cuts paper. So does my fingers. I really like it. Glad I got it. Excited about it. I guess these are supposed to be some drainage holes, so maybe for that underwater activity. Water doesn't pool up in there and drains out, or dirt or grime can get out of there easy. You can dust it out. I don't know if that's really what the intended functionality of that is, but breathing holes so you don't get sweaty under your hands maybe. It's just design. Looks cool. There you go. Thanks for watching. Damn right I got knives. I might take that thing off.